Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a lentil bean broth. Delicious, very delicious. I went to my garden to pick some pigeon berry or blueberry in Creole, bobo kodenn. We have different name for that. And then we take thyme and moringa also, and prepare all the spice for seasoning. I like Haitian. I add hot water, lemon. You can add another herbs, and I place the meat on the fire and start cooking. Check the first broth of the meat and add a little more water to continue cooking. And then we mix the ingredients. Prepare the lentils and blend them. Add some oil, onion, and all kind of spices to fry. Add the broth water, 3 liters of water, and mix everything together. And all the chopped ingredients, carrots, leaf, bell peppers, all vegetable. We mix everything together. And now we prepare dombrèy. This is the name, dombrèy. Some people call it boy, but it's dombrèy in Creole. We mix flour and water and salt. And this is the basic. If you want, you can add something else. And we add everything. It's now we can start to put the seasoning. Don't add the salt yet because we'll add the meat sauce to adjust the taste, and some dry spices according to your taste. Finalize everything. Taste the broth if the seasoning and the salt are just right. Now we serve the delicious dish. It's nourishing meal. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and save. May God visit your table. Thank you. See you next time.